Did you know that you can fight climate change, increase biodiversity, increase ecosystem resilience, help reduce ocean acidification, and increase coastal water quality by doing one simple thing? Eat some sea vegetables. So why should we eat seaweed, which let's just call them sea vegetables because that's what they are? Two reasons. It's good for people and planet, and I mean super good. So seaweed itself, very, very high nutritional value. There's a variety of species and they each have their own little package of nutrients and vitamins and minerals, and they're fantastic. Whatever species of sea vegetable you're eating, you can't go wrong. It's a great addition to your diet. It's also typically somewhat affordable, depending on where you are in the world. Now, the other reason is for the ecosystem, both local and global. As I mentioned earlier, it has a huge variety of benefits, and that's because seaweeds, sea vegetables, are carbon sinks. They absorb CO2 from the ocean, thus reducing ocean acidification. They also improve water quality dramatically because they can absorb pollutants. Now, of course, I understand if you don't want to eat seaweed that has absorbed pollutants, like in a really dirty harbor, but studies have shown that even that seaweed passes food grade quality. Now, odds are that's not the seaweed they're selling in the store. They're selling farmed seaweed specifically for consumption, but the seaweed that absorbs pollutants, that can easily be used as fertilizer on land, helping restore carbon in the soil and yet again fighting climate change and reducing farm runoff. So that's a huge bonus and another reason that we should in general support seaweed farms. Now, back to other ecosystem benefits in the water. So it's improving water quality regardless of where it is, and it creates habitat. Now, this habitat is great for all species, which benefits ecosystem resilience in general. It's also good for juvenile fish, gives them a little fish nursery. And this is great for fishers in the long run because it helps fish populations bounce back or recover from any kind of disaster that happens, whether it's a man-made disaster or a natural disaster. So, ocean acidification, habitat, water quality. What else was there? Oh, climate change. That's a really good one. I feel like I'm missing something. There's really endless benefits to seaweed for you and the planet. If I missed one, add it in the comments. And stay tuned because the wonderful benefits of seaweed for eating and for the planet have inspired me to start a mini series called Cooking with Kelp. And I'm going to explore a bunch of ways in which you're probably already eating seaweed and can DIY it at home, as well as some recipes you've probably never heard of. And I'm not by any means a great cook. I can follow a recipe, so if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.